This video is graciously sponsored by Dreametech. This is a very big box, at least the outer box. I was wondering if I could even really fit it into the frame. Anyhow, I'm sure what's inside isn't quite as big, but we're going to find out. So what if you have a product that can pick up not only dry material, but also wet spills at the same time? That's right, it's one of those. Welcome to the Dreametech H11 Max. Boy, this is a big box. And we have another box in the box. Okay, a lot of extra packing material. Well, that's huge. All right, let's hear it for oversized Amazon packaging. Jeez, where can I put this thing? Let's get it out of frame. Now we have a smaller box. I wonder if there's another box inside this box too. Let's see. Yep, I guess I just start slicing. And yes, there's another box inside the box. Many boxes. Get this thing out. All right, let's put it this way. How about we pull it out that way? It has high suction in the box. Okay, finally. Wow. And here we are. The Dreametech H11 Max wet and dry vacuum. Now let's keep unboxing. I have yet to review machine that does what this machine actually does. Okay, we got some parts in there. We got some parts in there. And let's see, this is packing material. All right, got some packing material. Got some parts in there. And it looks like the main body of the machine is here. Obviously everything's packed very well. And that's got to be feels like a charging base. Okay. Let me move this box out of the way. Run out of room down here. Whoa. There's a manual. Yeah. One of the side flaps here, we got the manual, so that's good. I figured it had to be in there somewhere. And a quick start guide, yeah, typically referred to as a quick start guide, but there's the manual. And let's take a look at each individual piece. So this is going to be the charging base. Okay. Here's the main unit. Let's see, what's the best way to get this unwrapped here? Can't wait to try this out. And you'll see why later on in the video. Wonderful. So I have seen machines like this of a different color. That is, this model, a different color. And this is nice to have a color other than, say, straight white or straight black. All right, let's see, this packing material here. And here's the cloth roller. Let me get this up real close to the camera. There we go. You know, honestly, it kind of feels like low pile carpet. How about that? Using what seems like to be carpet to clean carpet. And let's see, more pieces. How am I going to undo this without mangling it too badly? Oh, it's not that way? Oh, there we go. All right, we have a charger. That's going to go with the base, obviously. And then we have, and it looks like an additional filter. This is probably an additional filter, but I'll make sure that it isn't the only filter that we have. Probably a second one. That's typical. Let's see, how can I get this thing open without mangling it? Oh. Okay. Coming apart now. I'm trying to open the box. All right. There we go. I see we have, let's see, there somewhere. Looks like a cleaning brush. I bet you that'll help to clean this out. That's handy. That's nice. Because let's face it, you're going to be cleaning up messes with this machine. And what do we have here? All right, that's probably going to hold some accessories, like, and this is great, an extra, you know, I hesitate to call this a brush roll. I want to call it like a carpet roll, but they give you an extra one of those. So that's great, extra accessories, wonderful. All right, last box. I'm going to bet that this is going to be some kind of a handle. Let's face it, this is a little short, stubby guy without the handle. Hey, we got a handle. All right, handle, and I think there's one more box of stuff. Oh, okay. I think this is the last box of accessories, and we have, oh, nice, okay. They give you some cleaner. They give you a nice sample bottle of cleaner and some instructions here for the cleaner. I imagine you can probably use other cleaners than this. However, they give you something right in the box that you can use. Here we go. Dreametech Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. There you go. Well, I'm going to have to try this out. Probably have to read the instructions to see what type of cleaners are good to use. And I know that in some cases you can just use plain water as well. But that's nice. It says powerful cleaning for all hard surfaces. All right, let's see what we got going on here. So I'm going to put the handle on, and that should just click in. There is an electrical connection on the handle. Let's see, does that go in? How's that go in? Is it this way? This way? Oh, okay, it goes on a different way than what I thought. So handle goes on like this. And you have some buttons on here. That looks like a clean water. And all right, so without looking at the instructions just yet, what I'm seeing is, let me turn on the flash. I bet This is going to be a self-clean. We'll find out if that's correct a little further in the video. This looks like water distribution because it's got a water droplet, and this looks like a power button.
Auto mode.
Ooh, it came on. It says 35%. So you know what we need to do before we do anything else with this? We need to charge it. So let me get this thing set up so we can charge this. And then after we charge it, gets a full charge up to 100, then we'll use it. After taking a few minutes to read the manual, I did discover that Dreametech wants you to pretty much stick with their solution. If you choose to use a solution in the H11, of course, you can always, use water. And if we take a closer look at the supply tank and the return tank, you will see that there's a definite marked difference in the size. So you'll probably have to fill this up maybe a couple of times if you're only just using water and only just picking up water before this fills up. But I imagine a lot of people pick up, I don't know, large debris that will fill this up quicker than the water would actually ever supply. In addition to that, here's where this small filter goes in here. And again, Dreametech gives you another one. So that's pretty handy. So let's get this H11 Max charging. In the manual it says it will take a number.
Charging.
There you go. It will take a number of hours before this is ready for the very first time. And then all other subsequent times, the charge time will be a little bit faster. I'm at 35% now, and I estimate probably it'll be, I don't know, maybe between 4 and 5 hours before it's charged all the way up.